Hey, what's up guys, welcome to Mr. Technover. The iPhone SE3 has been rumored for a long time and has even had analysts talking. Apple has yet to make an official announcement on this front, but rumors about the iPhone SE3 have already been circulating. The major addition to this smartphone, expected to be called iPhone SE3, is reported to have a 5G connection. Most likely the iPhone SE3 will be a moderate update to the iPhone SE 2020. Customers who appreciate the compact proportions of current iPhone SE and older iPhone 6 models will likely have another opportunity to acquire a new iPhone with a comparable size. The 5G processor from the iPhone 13 is believed to be the most substantial change. The A15 Bionic chip from the iPhone 13 could be used in this phone, allowing for 5G connectivity and similar performance levels. While the 5G chip will be a new addition to the iPhone SE 2022, the rest of the device is expected to remain identical. That means the Touch ID fingerprint scanner will be paired with the same 4.7-inch display. It's likely that the 4.7-inch display will keep its IPS LCD panel with True Tone technology. The display is believed to be surrounded by thick bezels. Unlike more pricier iPhone models, the iPhone SE 2022 is predicted to continue with the Touch ID system rather than embracing the Face ID method. Apple is likely to keep the same camera sensors as well. That indicates a 12-megapixel main rear camera and a 7-megapixel front camera could be included. The new iPhone SE3 is expected to keep the same battery capacity as the previous model as well as the Lightning connection. This time though, there will be no charger in the box. The iPhone SE3 is predicted to have IP67 water and dust protection, wireless charging, dual speakers and compatibility for up to 6 years of iOS updates, among other things. Note that all of this is based on rumors and leaks, and Apple has not confirmed any of the details yet. So that's it for today. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Let's catch up soon. Till then, peace out.